If you'd like to set up a meeting with Samantha, open up your internet browser and go to spollard.youcanbookme. Click enter and you'll be directed to her scheduling page. Here, you can try to find a time that fits in with your schedule where you can meet Samantha. If you need to choose a different week, go to the arrow in the top right-hand corner and you can toggle between weeks here. Once you find a time and day that works well for you, go ahead and click that. So if I wanted to book an appointment for Monday, September 14th at 9 a.m., I'd click that 9 a.m. box. It'll take me to a form to fill out. Here, I'll put in my first name, my last name, my email address, my student ID number. Then I need to fill out a little box that explains why I'd like to meet with Sam. If I'm having trouble with clockwork, for example, I might put in clockwork help. Then I need to put in my phone number so that Sam can give me a call at our meeting time. I'll click the I'm not a robot button and go ahead and click confirm booking. Once I do that, if everything goes through, I'll be taken to the confirmation page that will remind me of the time and date that I booked for. If I prefer to meet by Zoom, here's the link to do so. And I would just go to that link at our scheduled time. And if I want to add this event to my calendar, I can go ahead and click Add to Google, Add to Office 365, or Download Calendar Invite. Before the meeting, I want to be sure to read through the list of instructions that Sam has listed here to make sure I have all the things I need ready for our conversation so that she can be most helpful.